So, good day. This is my reflection of sa skill D, cause and effect. So, cause and effect, this skill help us understand the relationship between an event, the cause, and what happened because of it. The important in both reading comprehension and critical thinking because it shows how things are connected. So, this is my expectation. What before I understand the cause and effect. Before learning more than about this skill, I thought it was a simple. I expected it to be just identifying what happened and why it happened. Parang basic na tanong lang na ano ang dahilan, ano ang nangyari pagkatapos. I didn't expect that we'd have to analyze deeper connection, especially in longer or more complex texts. What I did not know. I didn't realize that some causes and effects are not directly stated in the text. You have to infer them. Also, I didn't know that one cause can have some multiple effects, or that sometimes an effect can actually become a cause or another event. Dati, I would only look for obvious words, so I like, because, or so, pero ngayon I know na hindi palaging ganun kadali. I used to get confused when the events were not in order. Minsan nanguna pa yung effect bago sabihin ang cause sa isang paragraph, kaya I would misinterpret what really happened. Now what I have learned, now I've learned to read more carefully and look for more clues that show causal relationship, not just the signal word. I also learned to ask myself questions like, what made this happen, or what happened as a result of this action. That really helps me understand the deeper meaning of a text. And I also learned how to organize cause and effect information using graphic organizers, which helps me when reviewing or summarizing text. It's also helpful when explaining a chain of events in both fiction and non-fiction readings. So this is my improvements, no? Yes, I believe I have improved in this skill. For example, in a recent activity, we were asked to analyze a news article about climate change. I was able to identify not just the immediate cause of the issue, but also the long-term effect and how they connect to other global problems. My teacher comment that I showed a good understanding of the text structure. So to sum it, learning about cause and effect has really helped me become a more analytical reader. It has taught me to look beyond just what it written and to see the bigger picture. I'll just continue to use this skill not just in reading assignments but also in writing in real life situation where I understand sequence and important. So that's all for